eyes this morning. The sun is on the rise once again. With earthly things I'm going. So anything can happen. You see, as it is raining on that evil ship. Blast off on that spaceship, living miles from reality. You don't care for me. So much trouble in the world. So much trouble in the world. So much trouble, so much violence. Now say loving better, you keep silent. So much trouble, so much violence. Now say loving better, you keep order. You got to face the thing, no matter the consequence. Whirling your teeth, but there ain't no improvement. But anywhere you go, there's another problem. And then you go and still got that financing. Well, they know your uncles, they don't pay no rent. It comes down to me and you go be rent. And now I'm in get the money, I'll be rent. It comes down to me, he says, my Lord, cause crime and violence, so much trouble more. Sitting on the table. Now I know the time has come. What goes on up is coming on down. What goes around and comes around. This side. Next song we're gonna do here, written by Bob Marley. And you know he died back in 1981, so the song's pretty old, right? Anyways, it means more today than it ever did way before its time. It goes like this. We don't need no more trouble. No, 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 no. We don't need no more trouble. Until the philosophy which holds one race superior than another, inferior, is finally and permanently discredited, and the bondage everywhere is war. We say war. This next verse. Until the color of a man's skin is of no more significance than the color of his eyes. War in the east, war in the west, war up north, war down south. We say war, 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 rumors of a war that we don't need. No more trouble, no, 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 no. We don't need no more trouble. On the don't care for me.